Here is one entrance and exit to the castle. Not the main one, so we're going to head down further to this area. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Main gate here. Just down a little bit more. Here we are at the beginning of Odawara Castle. Where are we? Well, we're in this picture from 1903. You are here. This is the outside of Odawara Castle, looking at the very nice moat here. This is where samurai residence was around this area. The castle is behind it. You can't see it just yet. Heading in. This is in Odawara City. It's about an hour or less from Yokohama, probably an hour and 20 minutes from Tokyo. It's on the sea, so seafood is popular here, naturally. Oh, and these are all sakura trees lining this area, so it must be beautiful in the fall, in the spring. We're here in the fall. And here we are with the main lords of Odawara Castle. Wow. I don't know, they're not looking too happy in there. 1562 running through 1696, the main lords of the castle. Where's the castle? Well, here's an old map from 1861 of the castle grounds. The castle is behind there, but the castle ruins have been renovated. Since 1983, they've been renovating them, and the castle complex is in the same location from the medieval to early modern period. In the modern period following the samurai era, the castle keep and other buildings were dismantled. Also, the stone walls collapsed due to the Great Kanto earthquake. After that, the site of the castle was used as a public facility such as a girls' school, an elementary school, a baseball field, a library, and so on. So the castle main entrance is here. The moats are there on either side. And this is the regular route for entering Odawara Castle. We're at the Umadashimon Gate, and this area here had an important role as a main entrance gate leading up from the third bailey, or the bailey is a courtyard, to the second bailey, or courtyard. Those are some big doors. Some big knockers. I wonder if that was the school over there. We'll find out. Odawara Castle was first constructed in the middle of the 15th century. The Hojo family conquered this area early in the 16th century and gradually expanded the castle. The castle became the largest when Sogamai, the biggest fortress with about 9-kilometer moat and mound surrounding the castle town, was built for protection from Toyotomi Hideyoshi's attack in 1590. Odawara area map. Odawara Castle area map. Climbing up, getting closer to Odawara Castle. Haven't arrived there yet. A lot of different courtyards and gates to enter through, but I have a feeling we're getting close. This gate looks like it's one of the main gates here. Mm-hmm. School trip, maybe? Oh, there it is. In the distance, do you see it? Lots of school kids on a trip. Odawara Castle Tower. And we've finally arrived. There's Odawara Castle. From this side, you can see the sea. So we have the Akagane Mon Gate. Mon means gate, and it's located in front of the second courtyard. It's a gate constructed in the Masagata style, whatever that means. Anyway, nice courtyard. Beautiful. And we finally arrived at the Odawara Castle and the entrance of the castle tower. Here it is, 510 yen to get in. Tenshu Kaku means castle tower, the symbolic structure of the Japanese castle. This castle tower served as a storehouse, watchtower, or others in the Edo period. Having a role to protect the west of Edo, the capital of Japan, the Odawara Castle was a special castle that even the Tokugawa shogunate family stayed at. Interesting. So we go to the Odawara Castle entrance here. I'm gonna walk up the stairs. And we've reached the top of Odawara Castle. This was the 4th floor. Yep. And we have a beautiful view of Hakone. From that distance, it's about a 15-minute train ride, so not so far at all from Hakone train station. And down there, we have the stairwell that we came up. And the courtyard there. And out there is the sea. Beautiful view up here. That's Odawara City there. And a little courtyard here. Down below. Not little, big courtyard. Very nice. Odawara Castle inside now, and it's a museum in here. Information about the castle during the Edo period. And you can see the top 10 comparison of castle tower height. So, number 1, let's do the top 3. Number 1, Osakajo. Osakajo, where's that? Osaka? Osakajo. Osakajo. Oh, my pronunciation's so bad. Nagoya-jo. So this one is 41.5 meters, 36.1 meters. Shimabara-jo, 33. Odawara-jo, where we are now, is 27.2. And that's it for our tour of Odawara Castle, leaving through this beautiful red gate bridge with the moats on the side, and the ducks, and the koi, the big fish down there somewhere. I saw them somewhere. Oh yeah, I see one.
Reading.